Hello everyone, I am Dr. Padmavati Tungaturthi from Teach Connect. I am a quality education specialist. I train teachers and mentor principals. Normally, students tend to read. First, they pretend to read. Then, how is this learning curve going on along with reading? How does the reading development happen in student? Does it happen at once? Does it happen overnight? How does the reading strategy develop in the student? There are a few steps for that. You can consider 6 steps for the student to reconstruct and construct the comprehension of the passage. It happens slowly over a period of time. First, after the emergent reading has happened, the student or the child develops a love for reading and tries to pronounce the phonetics of the word. The student is trying to emerge and do the pre-reading concept. In this scenario, the adults will be helping the child to have some sort of help in reading that printed text. The second stage, slowly the child starts connecting the word or the sound with the alphabet. The letter sound relationship will be established here in the second stage. It happens gradually. Third one, now the letter sound relationship is embedded into the student's mind and quickly the word will be pronounced fluently. That will be the third stage. Now, fourth stage. The child, after reading the word, will try to comprehend what the word is. Here, sometimes the meaning which they get might be right or might be close to what is correct. The fifth stage is there are multiple viewpoints for a word or a line or a sentence which the child reads. That is, the viewpoint develops. And the last stage is construction of meaning from the comprehended text as well as doing reconstruction. That means the child will be able to give answers on his or her own. That is how the steps of reading will happen, and slowly the child moves from reading with the help of an adult to understanding the concept independently. Thanks for watching my video. Hope it has added value to your learning and teaching, dear teachers. Happy teaching. Thank you.